Hi guys, welcome back to We Agree. Today I am trying this new kit, which is a punch art kit where you can add felt in any design and embroidery onto clothes. So join me. Today I'm learning how to do patch art with this DMC patch art kit. I've tried using the needle and poking the felt to make like little characters, but I've never tried it on clothes, so let's unbox this. Colors are so pretty. Here are the felting needles, embroidery thread. These kind of look like cookie cutters, so I have a heart and a star shaped one. Instructions manual. And this black sponge. I think you put the black sponge there, put the fabric that you want, and punch the felt using these needles. This is the shirt I'm going to do the patch art on. I just found a plain V-neck, medium size. I wanted a little bit looser fit on the top, but it is a bit long. So I'm going to see how much to crop. I tried the shirt on and I pinned it, and this is how long I would like the shirt to be. And then I'm going to give a little bit of seam allowance for the sewing. I'm going to give about 2 to 3 centimeters for the seam allowance for sewing, and then here. So I'll cut about 13 centimeters from the bottom. I'm using a rotary cutter. I feel like it cuts really good on fabric. Here is how the shirt looks right now, cut. You could leave it like this, but I don't really like this edge. So I'm going to do a rolled hem, which is basically just a double hem because I feel like these shirts are very thin and double hems work best. So I'm going to do a rolled hem and I'm going to pin it in place. So fold once, fold twice, grab a pin, there, and then make sure it's even every time. You can measure it, but I like to do it, just eye it, and I'm going to work my way around the entire shirt. I have pinned my way around, and I've tried my very best to keep all the hems even. And now we will just go to the sewing machine and do a simple straight stitch with a white thread. I started ripping off a little bit of felt and punching it into the template and into the shirt sleeve little by little. I added a few strands of the orange felt to give some shadow and accent colors to the star. I'm making sure to poke the needle all the way through the shirt so the fibers go through onto the other side as well. It's time to take out the black sponge, so I'm slowly taking it out of the sleeve, and as you can see, the little fibers of felt are on the other side of the sleeve. So this is how the felt actually attaches itself to the fabric of the shirt. I'm going to repeat the same process with the other side, first measuring from 8 centimeters from the bottom of the sleeve. This one is going to be using the heart template, and I'm going to be using the pink and red felt. Here is a time lapse of me punching the needle into the felt and into the sleeve, ripping off small pieces and repeating that process until I get the shape of the heart. I also ripped off a few threads of red felt to add the accent pieces to the heart. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I hope you guys loved punch art on clothes with me, and let me know if there's any other clothes or ideas you'd like to see. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Bye!